Yeah, so we have our sub menu, see it, and inside sub menu we have another menu again. Go back to our website. We have saved it. Let's just reload it to see, so we can get rid of all this icon. Okay, we have something like this, and then later in the day we are going to modify the menu more better. We just change the title of the menu. The link is still the same thing, so we are going to modify it in next section. We are going to do more about menu, but for now I just maintain this. So the next thing now is the layout here. The first layout, we have this picture. I think Ninja Loaded, they have this an advert that maybe when you monetize your website, and they will give you this, Google will give you an advert that you can put to your website, or when you have an affiliate link, I will put some of my affiliate link to it, and you will see how it's going to look like. Here now we have a slide, okay, and then we have this sidebar. So let's modify that. I will click here, and then scroll up on the tab. Here now I want to delete this entire element. Okay, and I want rows with 2 columns, something like this. So this side I want slide, so I just click on add, search for slide, and then click on it, drag it here. Okay, this side we have image. They have image there, so what we're going to do is I will just locate, find an image, single image, and I'll click on it and drag it there. It asks me to select my image, so I can put the link of image here. Maybe I have the image I want to use, or I can put anything there. So use it. Let me save this image. Upload. And then I will save. This is due to internet, but let's check it in our main website. So delete cache. As you can see, the website lead to error. Don't worry. What happens is that just go to your plugin and then locate tag div editor, deactivate it, deactivate this one too, and deactivate this, and then just reactivate it. So after you deactivate everything, and then this, sometimes the error is due to plugin, and then just reactivate it back. Hola, if you reload it, I think the website open this, the image that we put. This now they say enable thumbnail from the theme panel of block setting. So what we're going to do is that we're going to locate our theme panel. Before the image will display, we have to enable 696 by 385 thumbnail in the theme panel under block setting. So we are going to locate block setting, and then thumbnail and module. So let's just enable this. enable this. Yeah, 369 by this. We enable it, and then we save. So we can delete cache to check maybe our website is working. This have enabled. Hola, the image is displaying now. So here too, let's just reload it to see the effect of what we are doing. So in the process of development, you'll be encountering some error. So I think any error that you encounter, just Google some error. If something I don't resolve it, just Google it. It's easy, you can easily find solution on Google. So we are good to go with this top. Okay, we are good to go with this. So the next one we are having is music of the day, NIC music of the day. I think let's put our own music of the day at this side. Yeah, from the website now. So we are going to do this hottest post to our website, and then we're done with this. So let's do this next one. We are going to change the block, the way it look like, to block 15. So just search block 1515. So it look like that, and drag it here. I'll delete this element and then scroll up. Yeah, edit. And add my title as hottest post. I'm going to choose header templates. There are different header templates that is available that you can choose from. So let me just test 9. Okay, this is how 9 look like. You can test anyone. 12. 3. And 2. I think 3 is much closer to what we have in the downloaded, which is hottest post. So I'm going to make it capital letter, hottest post, and their color is red, so you can modify anything that you want to modify. That is the header title color, their background color, which is red. You can scroll, click on it. If you want to scroll, just click on it, and then use your down key to scroll down. And to scroll. So the color is red. So the text color is white. Okay. So you can modify the text color and the title length, the post. Just click on it and use your down key to scroll up and down. Check it on different devices. Okay. And then if you want it to be display different category, there is a way you can select the category that you want it to be displaying. So we save it. So let's reload it by just deleting cache. So we have something like that here. This post, that is 3, because you don't have many posts here, that's why we have just this. If you have many other posts, you are going to see everything. So we have 3 categories, just like Nigeria, the 1, 2, 3 under news here, under the hottest post. So this side they have their social media and search box, contact us button. So let's go back to our website. We have our own social media, and then we have contact us. Okay, before social media we have search box. So what we're going to do is that we want to add a search box here so you can easily search us. So just click on add, now search for search form. So you can click on it and drag it. Just click and drag to anywhere you want to put it. So at the top of this, yeah, this is the search box. We have to modify it by give it different elements, the padding, the margin, the width, and okay. So the text is small. Let's go to style, scroll down. The text color should be white. That's search should be white. Which white? This white, and then white, and the background color is okay. Okay. Oh, this is the button color, which I want to be white. Okay. No, the button color is black, right? So you can design the search bar based on what you want. Okay, this is the input color. Why this is the button color? Okay, the color, the white is okay. The button background now. The button background is black. This one is black too. Let's just add some box shadow. I think two. So the box shadow is displayed little by little. So we are not just going to add box shadow to the button alone. I think the background color is well. Let's just save it and check it in our website. So we have our search box here. Okay, the mistake that we made is that we make our search box to be the color to be white, so which we have to change. The text color now should be black. Input. So save it. We have to delete caching, so we can search for anything that I want to search for. Let us know I want to search for how to. Input that have how to display. Yeah, so this how to think, how to. So the search is working, and let's just go back. They have box shadow around their search, and they have this search for post here. So click on the element, this is the button shadow. the input shadow, you put, I just add 2 around the color. So just use the gray, just let me maintain that gray, something like black. So just save it, and then let's check our website. You have to keep checking step by step as you are making progress. Yeah, okay, I think we're good to go with this, and we can add this at the top, search, just like they have. So search, so I will add the text here, so just click. Let me just add HTML, so I can write the code, I can write the text myself. And then, so I will just adjust history. There is search for post. And close tag history. It's just HTML, and there is this search icon. Can get views by doing span. No, by doing I, and I again, closing tag for I. So I'll just look for the search icon, code, and paste it here. I think what they have is that they have this icon, search icon, as image. So I'll just click on open a new tab, and there is the search icon. Let me just copy the link of that search icon, and then I will now insert it here as image. So let me just say img /src equal to, paste that link, and see it display here, and I will now close the tag. But one of the important is that you have to design the width, and just make it 30 pixels. The height too. Height 20 pixels. I think the width is too big. So we are having something closer. We just have to make this our text bold. So I will put style CSS, this CSS equal to, just copy the same thing, and close tag. So open bracket and close. I will provide this code somewhere, and I will just provide it in my website. I will show you how you can get it. And style now, that is font style, bold, no, no, font weight. It's called font weight. Okay. And then, or we can use EM. So align, you want it to align in the center. Test dash align. Test alignment. Center is now in the center. And then okay, it's not even in the center, it's aligned to the right. So let's take it back to the right, right. No, left. But the background color is black and the text is white. So what I will do, I will just have a container that house everything. So I have div and I have div here too. Now we give this style equal to background color black. The color should be white, which is the text color. So inside our post now, we give it a color too. Color white. And we close the tag. So we save this and we delete capture to check it from our website. Okay, you see it here. They have margin and padding, which make it kind of this size. So let me just quickly add that. Click one, and I think they have padding. Let me just give this 5 pixels. Oh, it's too much. 2 is still too much. 1. I'm not giving. I will give the padding to the test. So okay, this 2 pixels is okay. Padding, check it out. So we have the search box, which you can modify with CSS anyhow you want it. You have the search box here too, and we have this. So the next one, I think from Ninjalo, their website now, they have achieved this search box. So for now we are going to focus on the left side. So we get this test post. What remains now is the load more button and new post that will just be full. So let's go back. Here we have travel, which we're supposed to have here. So we should have a load more button below this. So we are just going to click on this and scroll down. Pagination, we are going to change it to button, load more button. The load more button now, we can modify it to anyone that we can design the load more button. The load more button here, we can change the font. Give it different color. The alignment. So I will just leave it by default. The default font that is there. This from flexbox to block 21. Yeah, block 21. So just drag it here. Above it, and now this is new post. Choose your header. Let's use 15 or 14. Okay, let's see what 14 look like. 15. Okay, it says color should be white. And then the background color should be something related to red. I think I like this. Okay, so we can modify our filter by showing what we display here. We just want to display only the title, just like they did. They only display the title, so we are going to put a set to 0, and which does have delete the littleness. Just check it out now. So these are our accept length, so we just want it to be 0, so which this will display. So we only have this, and you can design the limit number of posts that we want to display. This is 5. Let's say we want to display 10, and we have more 10. So you can define anything you want to define. So under filter, you can design where do you want the post to be coming from which category. If you want to select it by category, or you want to select it by latest, or category. I want all category, and I want it to be posted by latest, the one that is latest, which is the new post. You can filter by tag, by just give it a tag, or filter by category depending on what you want. And you can do the styling here, different styling, modify the size, the color, and anything you want to do. So this one at the top too, I think we have now increased the number of posts that it will display. Okay, we have load more button, drop down. Yeah, the number of posts, let's make this 15. So 15. Okay, do you want that? Let's scroll up. Okay, wow, we're cool. So let's save. Let's reload our website, and let's just delete cache. Okay, I'm making changes little by little. Okay, we have these 15 posts, and then we have what is happening here. Let me reload again. Okay, we still have these gadgets. Oh, okay, we're going to do that. We're going to delete all this here. Sometimes catchy can be crazy while you be thinking that what is happening on your website, what you made is different from what you see. Don't worry, you just have to read some time. And at this place I will install another plugin that work well with catchy. So let me just go to plugin, and then I think this is not give us what we want. So add new W3 total catchy. So you see there, so W3 total catchy, and you can do it, install it, activate it. Let me just reload. So scroll down. We don't want this. Oh, delete it, and show this column. Let's delete it, and let's delete this column too. So if you want to, you can just click on this off and off viewport, which will make it scroll. So now we have a new post and this. So let's save this and go back out to our website, purge all. We have, yeah, I have our new post. So let's just pause here, so we continue in our next module.